Hey everyone. Oh, fail. This is my first real vlog. So, yeah. I have only been on YouTube in 2 weeks, I think. And I already reached 4 subscribers. Yay! Oh, it's not a yay. I could really use more. But, I'm going to play a little bit of Battlefield. Maybe some Assassin's Creed 2. Sorry. Some World of Warcraft. Maybe just. Yeah. And just maybe some Euro Truck Simulator 2 and Need for Speed Most Wanted 1. So it's gonna become some long videos. Yeah. I'm going to make a new vlog every Friday, but I'm sorry that this only I can't talk today. I'm so sorry about that. This is the only time that I make a video on Saturday, a vlog on Saturday. From now on, I'm gonna make a vlog every Friday. Yeah, that was it. Battlefield Reaper out. See ya.